Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica S with us in the shop. And pretty much it came in because if you were to use the machine before and you try to brew, turn on the machine, or anything that has to do with water going through your machine, rinse cycles, steam, you would see quite a lot of water into the drip tray, more than about 3 or 4 times the regular amount of water when I was looking and testing with it. Pretty much what that means is there's this little slot right here, connects to up here. This is where your mechanical valve's at. It's the only thing in your machine that handles water when it comes into the drip tray or it comes into anything. Your mechanical valve, which is right here, as you can see, all these hoses. There's 2 more hoses there that aren't there because it's connected into the newer one. This is where your water comes out of and where stuff disperses into your whole machine. When this gives out, it starts leaking a lot of water every time you push water through it, of course, because it has a lot of water running through it. And the one of the hoses goes through the side, goes down to the drip tray, starts pouring a bunch. So replace it with a completely brand new one, brand new gaskets, brand new everything. Tested the machine with the drip tray off so that you could see the water go through. Works great. How it's supposed to do is starting the grinding phase of making espresso. You see a decent amount of water come out, not too much, and then during the whole brewing process it starts to slowly drip, which is what I was able to see and replicate a bunch of times last Friday when I was working on this machine. So now that we're ready to brew, we're going to do a double standard coffee. The grind setting on this one is at 3, and so we're just going to let it run. As you can hear, that all that grinding is happening into the brew unit. And then once it's finished, you're going to hear the brew unit move towards the front, and it's going to push against your mechanical valve, which is how it produces coffee. As you can see, locked in. Now it's going to start trying to pour. You might get a few drips at the beginning, but now it's going to start. Again, this is a standard coffee at 3 grind size, using our test coffee for this. So don't worry about the results if they're not what you're used to. And it's looking great. As you can see, looking well. Now we're gonna hit this button for hot water, in case you wanted to make Americanos or you just wanted to make your coffee a little bit bigger. Looking great. And now we are going to look in the drip tray, and now I had already tested this again today, so this is two coffees worth of water. As you can see, all that steam that just dispersed through the bottom, that's usually supposed to be caught into here. Now, that's what happens when you use, say, hot water. You used the steam function like a cappuccino. We're going to clean that up quick. But from 2 cups of coffee, you can see not as much water as before. There's a decent amount because this is normal coffee, and I did do 2 of them beforehand. But yeah, it's looking great. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.